Hello guys, here we are going to learn about the shapes, icons. We are going to learn a little about 3D models. They are useful, but I don't really prefer them because they are going to consume many RAMs and it sometimes crash your PowerPoint. But for knowing we have many 3D models here. For example, let's go with some useful ones. They're really cute, but sometimes not too useful. But let's go for with some electronic gadgets, for example. As I said before, they are consume too much of my memory, and I don't really prefer them. But they are usable. For example, let's have this, and let's say just for now, let's have these two. You see, it's now going to crash. This is not professional to use them, but I'm going to teach you anyway about them. Okay, let's copy and use them one by one. From here, it looks like this is a 2D model, but the important thing is that you can change its view by using this option, and it rotates very well to the place you like. For example, you can have this like this. Let me just copy that. I will tell you about morph in the later course, but for now, let's see. In this picture we make it right, and you can have some kind of cheese like this transition. They are smooth and great, and one of them I like very well is this kind of transition. Let me insert a page. They are no useful and unuseful. There are something in the middle. I don't know how to say, but there are something in middle. Okay, it's good. Now let me just rotate it more. You can create something like this by using them. As I said before, I really don't prefer them, but maybe because some of you ask what they are useful for, you can have something like this. Put them here, send them to back, and oh sorry, let me reduce it in size. You can, let's go by 4 by 4 transition mode. You can have something like this. You can also create a logo motion by then if you have your logo 3D, but I don't prefer that. You can use Premium and After Effects for better values. If I continue this channel, this line, I will tell you about After Effects and Premium. I work with them a little, but you can create something like this. Now let's go and see how we can change our 3D models. We have the Paint 3D models here. It gives you some of the best ratio for use. You can use them. And you also have Reset 3D model. You can reset it, reset everything. You can also align it, center. If we have anything, we know what the align do. And you also have zoom pan mode. You can zoom it in or out. Also, you can create something great with this, like this, for example. Here we click on zoom and zoom out. You see something like this. It's everything you prefer, you can use it, but I don't really have a use for them. And you also have options like height, width, They are the thing as we see previously. Now let's go to format 3D model. We can format it. We can also give it shadows if we like. These options we are going to teach you in the next lesson about these options here. But you can also give it soft edges and glow. There are many things we can give our 3D model and it look amazing. You can also change the 3D model color, but the important thing you must know, you can't color your 3D model. You can color the background and you can also color the background. The 3D models are some kind of useful and useless. It's prefer for you to how to use them. But the thing you must remember when you are using 3D models that they consume too much space. And they are not good for online presentation or the when you might use another one computer for showing that. It's good to use on your computer and when you are going to present by your laptop or PC, not when you are going to use someone other PC. It's sometimes gonna crash. For example, let me show you something. This slide is more than 10 megabyte, but the another one we created in the previous lesson is less than 100 kilobyte. The 3D models are consume more data and more space. But let's go and see what kind of another kind of 3D models we have. You can also use emojis. They are something really cute if you like them. For example, this. And like this, then insert them. Let me just cut them and place them in new slide. Sorry, I make a mistake. They are not 3D now. No, yes, they are 3D. You can rotate them and see how amazing are they. In the time we have, we are going to see some more of them. You can use them for your presentation at school. These, they are so useful if you are presenting about volcanoes or about air hazards. You can use them. Wait a little for the model to insert. I want to show you how much space did they consume. Wait a little. Okay, I think it's nearly done. Yes, they are done. You see, your system is gonna crash when you have many of them. But if something like that happen, don't afraid and press anything. Sorry, and just wait. Wait a little, your model is gonna be fixed. Don't press anything whenever your PowerPoint show something like this. Don't press anything. Just wait. If you don't wait, you are gonna regret it. You see, your system just needs some time to make everything ready. Now let's go and use them. You can use this for your presentation. Let me create a new slide, and you see this slide is This slide is very huge and consumes lots of memories. You know why? Because these 3D models are the animations types. I want to show you these things. Some of 3D models have their animations too. As you can see, it shows the animation and they are very useful for your class presentations or works. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and support me. I need your support, helps for making our channel better. And don't forget, for being better in PowerPoint, you need to create many slides. Everything comes from training. Have a good day.